practice?
No.
If we be
Okay.
good starting.
Okay, so can anybody tell me what we have been learning about these past couple of weeks? Yesenia? Regrouping. What have we been regrouping? Christian?
Two, it's either minus, take away by like a 2-digit number
Uh-huh.
taken away or added by a 1-digit number.
So we have a 2-digit number, and then what are we doing? We're adding it to what?
1-digit.
A 1-digit number. And then, so can anybody give me an example? I need a 2-digit number, Pedro.
48.
48. Okay, and then we're going to add that to a 1-digit number. Who can give that to me? Caroline? 9. Okay, what's the first thing that we do? The very first thing that we do after we figured out our problem? Christy?
We put 9 to the ones.
We put 9 ones in the
Place.
ones place. Is she right?
Yes.
So let's count together. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Is that right? 9?
Yes.
And that's this number?
It's like a 9.
9? And then what do we do? Is that all we do?
No.
No, Samuel, what else do we do?
We put 4 10s in the 10 place.
We put 4 10s in the tens place. Is he right?
Yes.
Yes, so let's count. So 2, 3, 4. Okay? Is there anything else?
Yes.
Anything else we have to do, or is this everything?
Let's see.
Zoe, what do we have to do next?
We have to put the 8s in the 1 place.
Put 8s in the 1 place. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so is that it? Is that all we do?
No.
We leave it like that? Yesenia, what do?
We count the ones.
We count the ones. How many ones do we have? Who can tell me? Paul. Do you need help? Phone a friend. Pick somebody.
17.
17. Is he correct?
Yes.
So can we have 17 ones in the ones place?
No.
No. So what do we got to do?
You gotta take 7. Take 10 away. Take 10 from the ones and put it to the 10.
Take 10 away. Is that right, Pedro? Are they correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's count out together. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
now, how many, after we took 10 away, how many do we have left? Andy?
7.
7. We have 7 left over. Okay, now what do we, can those 10s just stay there or do they go away? What do we do with them? Gregory?
You take them to the 10 side.
You take them to the 10 side.
And you put it on the top.
And why do we put it up like this? Who can tell me why we put it up higher than the other ones? Christy?
Because we're adding the ones to the 10.
We're adding the 1 group of 10 to the 4 group of 10 we already have. Is she correct?
Yes.
So how many 10s do we have? Who can tell me? Andy?
5.
5. Is he correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
So what's our answer?
57.
57. Okay, guys. So we've been doing this for the past couple weeks. You've been using your markers and your desks to work on using manipulatives, trying to figure out these addition problems. Well, now we're just using pencil and paper, meaning you don't get to use your markers in your desk anymore. You have to figure out and Do it all in your head.
Can we?
So because you're going to be learning this in the 3rd grade, and they're not going to give you manipulatives to use in the 3rd grade.
By yourself?
You have to, yeah, you got to do it all in your head. So,
57 is 3rd grade. Adding frames. 15 plus 7 equals 27.
no.
What is this one? What is? Well, we not on this smartboard. It's not. Oh, how much that video?
You had it on there, didn't you?
Yeah, she did. She took that. Oh. It was that one.
There's that.
There it is. 16
Okay.
plus 9.
So now we're going to be working with addition frames. So frames that look like this, they're going to be on your worksheets. They're going to have this. So you have to, there'll be numbers in here in these 3 spots, and you have to add the ones together and then add the tens and find out your answer. So let's do an example so that you guys can understand how to do it. Zoe, pick me a 2-digit number. Make it something high.
Okay. 33. I know.
Do higher. Go higher.
69.
Go higher. Go big. 69.
85.
Okay. And a 1-digit number, Fernando?
7.
7. Okay, you guys. Big numbers. Okay. So I've put a line down the middle of my addition frame to indicate this is the 1 side and this is the tens. What's the first thing that we do? Christy.
We add the 9 to the 1's place.
Yeah, the 9's to the 1's place, but what do we add together?
I know.
Pedro?
9 and 7.
9 and 7, they're both in the 1's place. You had that right. Just almost there. Pedro helped you out. Finish to the finish line.
We add the
Okay, so we add 9 plus 7. What is my answer when we add those 2 numbers together? Andy?
6. It's 7.
Shh, don't tell
I know
Uh-uh.
7.
him. No, I want to know what 9 plus 7 is.
Oh.
Put your hands down. Let Andy do it. He can do it.
He's a big boy. 16?
16, is he correct, guys?
Yes.
16. Now, can we have 16 ones in the 1's place?
No.
Then what do we got to do? Gregory?
We gotta cross out 10 and take it to the 10 side.
Now, since we don't have manipulatives, can we cross out 10?
We just take it to the 10 side.
We just take it to the 10 side. So if I have 16 and I'm taking away 10, how many do I have left over? 6. And then Gregory, what do I do with that extra 10? Take it to the 10 side. And so, you know, what number do I put up here?
1.
Why 1?
Because we're only adding 1 10.
We're only adding 1 group of 10. That's correct. And you see how I put it up on top like what we did with the manipulatives? But this is on top? Yes, Pedro?
And then 6 plus 1 is 76.
6 plus 1 is 7.
I knew it.
76.
So what's our answer?
76.
I knew it.
76.
Oh,
See, you guys are so smart. You know how to do this.
I know 56 had 89.
Okay.
I'm hot.
Yeah. Who doesn't know?
Okay,
A lot of
so
people.
let's talk about things that you like to collect. Who can tell me some things you guys like to collect? Okay, Pedro? Shoes. You like to collect shoes? Is he like Miss D?
Yeah.
Say Miss D likes to collect
Me
shoes.
too.
Samuel?
I like to collect money.
Money. Christy?
I like to collect darts.
Darts. Fernando?
I like to collect Jordan shoes.
Jordan shoes. Those are expensive. Andy?
Crayons.
Crayons. Jordan?
Godzilla toys.
Godzilla toys. Ooh, those are scary.
Ooh, yeah.
Christian?
Video games.
Video games.
Ooh,
Clothes. That's good.
Books.
Books. Paul?
Shoes.
Shoes. You're like Miss D. Zoe? Yesenia?
Marbles.
Marbles. That's a good one.
love books.
Okay,
I like shoes.
so we have you guys like to collect a wide variety of things. And you know that Miss D loves her shoes and that's what she collects.
No, get that one.
But we're going to talk about my friend Annie. Okay?
Again?
Yeah.
Yes, again. My friend Annie, she's my best friend. She likes to collect maps. In her collection, she has 6 maps. For Christmas, her family gives her 5 new maps. How many maps does Annie have in her collection now? Now, this is a word problem. This is in words, and you're trying to figure out the answer to this problem. So what's the first thing that we do? Who can tell me? Zoe? Draw it, okay. Caroline? Count on. Yesenia? We got to do 6 plus. That's right. We got to figure out what numbers we're trying to count and put together. Okay? So,
double and one.
Jordan, good job. You recognized our doubles and ones. So she said 6 maps. Is that the first number that we have in the equation? Yes. So we should write that first. 6 plus. What are we adding to 6? What number? Who can tell me? Christian?
5.
5. Why 5?
5 double minus 1.
Why are we adding 5?
Because it says 5 new maps.
She got 5 new maps for Christmas.
5 equal.
And then what is 6 plus 5? Raise your hand and tell me. Who can tell me? Jordan? 11. Is he correct?
Yes.
Yes. See? Good.
Can we try to do it on our own?
Oh, that's good.
Okay, so we're going to do another addition frame.
A word.
So you guys should be pros at these. Pros at these.
It got to be shoes.
It has to be shoes, of course. Okay, so it says, I have 24 shoes. I bought 9 more. How many shoes do I have now? What's the first thing that I need to do? Yesenia? Put the numbers inside of the box. Which numbers do I start with, Andy? A number.
21.
Not 21.
69.
No. He wants to help him out. No, who wants to help him out? Pedro?
24.
24. Where'd you come up with 24?
Because 24 is the first number.
The first number in the equation? Is that right? Right here, I have 24 shoes. So that's the first number.
Is Mike in here?
Micah?
He is in the library.
Okay.
Did you bring his permission
Yeah.
slip?
He keeps calling me.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, so you have 24. Now what goes in this spot? Is that it? Is that all we have to add to our addition frame? No. Paul, what do I need to add?
Put the 9 on the bottom.
You need to put the 9 on the bottom. That's right. Is he correct, guys?
Yes.
Yes, he is correct. Then what do we do?
Correct.
After we've set up our equation, what do we do next? Let's see. Samuel.
We have 4 plus 9.
We add up the ones, 4 plus 9. And who can tell me what 4 plus 9 is? Caroline?
13.
13. Is she correct?
Yes.
N-
Yeah.
Who said no?
Fernando.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, you're sure? That it's no, it's not 13?
Wait. Yes.
Is it? Everybody show me a show of hands if you think it's 13. Raise your hand. Jordan, please sit up.
I'm sorry. Christy, you don't
You need to
think
be
it's
sitting
13?
crisscross applesauce, guys, facing forward.
Okay, yeah.
It's 13? Okay. Now, can we have 13 ones in the ones place?
No.
No. So, Pedro, what do we got to do?
We have to take 10 to up there. We can't. Then we had to take 10 away from the 13.
Okay, so we take 10 away from the 13. Then what do we do with that 10? Do we just toss it away and say, oh, don't worry about it?
No.
What do we do with it?
Up there.
We put it up here?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I took away 10 from 13, how many do I have left? Gregory? 3. And then Pedro said that we move this 10 over here. Now, do I put 10 up in this box?
No. 1.
No, what do I put? Fernando? 1. And what does this 1 symbolize?
110.
1 group of 10. And we're adding it to what?
The 24.
The 24?
To the 10 place.
The 2 groups of 10. That's correct. So, who can tell me what 1 plus 2 is? Paul?
3.
3.
33.
And what's our answer?
33.
33. You guys are correct. Okay. So, let's do 1, okay? You guys are going to come up and do it. Someone give me a 2-digit number. Go ahead, Zoe. Write a 2-digit number for me up there. Ooh, 99. Okay, and a 1-digit number. Caroline, come on up. +8. Oh, we're going big. So how would we write 99 plus 8? Are we going to write it like this, or do we need to do it a different way? How would we do it? Who can tell me?
I know.
Samuel?
We would add 9 plus 8.
Before we do that, is this how we've been adding our addition problems?
No.
No. How would we do it? Sam, I want Samuel to answer. Put your hands down. You don't know? Christian?
Up and down.
Up and down. So what goes on top?
99.
99. And what goes on the bottom?
8.
8. Okay. So then after we have 99 plus 8, what's the first thing we do? Yesenia?
We add the 9 and 8.
We add the 9 and 8. Will you go up there and show us what 9 plus 8 is? Will you add it for us and then write it off to the side so we know? Okay. Write it. Well, like, do a little, just write it right here, off to the side.
Oh, my eye.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not funny. I got dust in my eye.
17. Is she correct?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, it's just like on our doubles plus 1 sheet. We have 8 plus 9 equals 17. Okay, so now we have 17 ones. What do we do now? Can we have 17 ones?
No.
No. So what do we do, Pedro?
We take 10.
Okay, you take 10 away. So come up here and show us what the answer would be if we took 10 away from 17. Come on.
97.
Jordan.
Everybody. What do we do? Yeah.
If you said we had to take 10 away from 17, what would the answer be? Take a marker. Write it up there. Make sure to write it under the 8 and 9 so that we know. No, under the 8 and 9. No, not the full answer. Not the full answer. Just what if we subtracted 10 from 17?
Oh.
What's our answer?
I write the full answer? Or?
No.
No. What's 17 minus 10?
17 minus 10.
7. So write 7 underneath the 8 and the 9 because that's how many ones we have left. Okay, is he right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so he said we had to take away 10. What do we do with that extra 10, Gregory?
We take it over to the 10 side.
Okay, come show me. So he's taking the 10 over to the 10 side. Show me where you put it. Write it. You can write it on the board. No. Right there. Is that right? Is he correct?
Yes.
Why did he just put 1? Christian?
Because we're only adding 1 10.
We're only adding 1 group of 10. Jordan, please sit up. Okay? So, Gregory, now answer the problem. What's 9 plus 1?
1.
10. So write 10. So what's our answer?
107.
That's a big number. Is that numbers we're used to? No. But you guys are so advanced that you guys can handle that.
They said and.
Huh?
They said and.
Is that
It's
100?
107.
Is it 107?
No.